Hello everyone, this is a video of a cleaning job I'd done at my dad's house the other day. His patio was very green, as you can see here. It was very dirty, so I used hypofoam in my gardener backpack. I used that at a 12:1 ratio like the package says. Sprayed over it once or twice. Didn't foam up as nicely as I wanted it to because I'm not using my chemical injector on my pressure washer. I had to use my dad's because he wasn't in. He's got no side access or rear access, and I couldn't get it up the stairs to the front of his house on my own. So I had to use his jet wash. So yeah, it was a fairly quick job. It took me about 30 minutes in total to do this little patio. As you'll see here, it is just a Bosch pressure washer. There you go. It would have taken me a lot quicker if I'd used my machine, but unfortunately I couldn't get it in there. So yeah, enjoy the video. And yeah, this was the clean finished. I don't know why the audio didn't record on my phone here, but I sounded very ill anyway. Yeah, it came up really nice actually. There was still a few little black spots and a few stains that I couldn't get up just because I was using the standard Bosch pressure washer. I think I was talking here about the spot that was there. I used 100% neat hypo on it because it wouldn't come up with the ratio. As you can point out here, there's still some spotting, but I just couldn't get it up with that pressure washer that I was using. And this stain here, I had no idea what that was. I used 100% hypo on that, left it on for a good 10-15 minutes, and it just didn't come up. So I just gave up with that one, put a plant pot over the top of it. But the rest of the garden patio came out quite nice actually. Yeah, I would have loved to have seen how it would have come up if I'd used my equipment. I'd probably done it within about 5 minutes if I'd used my rotary cleaner. But yeah, there we go. Thanks.